Hi guys, good morning. Hope you all are doing fine. I was thinking about COVID in the morning, and I thought of connecting and sharing my thoughts on the same if someone can take a clue out of it. With COVID cases showing a steep rise in the recent 15-20 days in Bangalore and other states of India, I was thinking, and I have met and talked to a lot of people going through or their family member going through this, and I see a kind of stress building inside them because of a lot of things. You have work, then if one person in the family gets infected, then the whole family has to stay in isolation even if the other person has not got, plus staying put in that isolation for 17 days. It's quite difficult. More, yes, the health also takes a lot of beating, and you really don't know what to do. But in this situation, I feel how you can, I'm 100% sure the kind of feeling or the kind of pain they feel, I have not been through that, and I don't know what it actually is. So it is difficult, indeed it is difficult, but how you can make it better when it is finally there, and how you can make it better. So you worry about your loved ones, you worry about them, you feel a lot of stress, a lot of deep thoughts go inside that. I have seen people stressing about what will happen to their loved ones, how will they get better. So I want to say, if you really love someone, send them a feeling of care and not of worry. Worry comes from fear, and care comes from a place of faith. So even if it is your worry, it is not going to help that person, but when you send care, you send your positive energy. I know it is easier said than done, but we can always begin working on this. We can always start thinking positively. We can always think that God is taking care, and at the end of all this, the person is going to come out stronger. The person is going to be having antibodies to fight against something. So what you can do is choose a thought of faith, choose a thought of care, rather than worrying about it, stressing about it, because if you can be of any help, you will not be able to help if you keep on worrying, because worry takes a lot of toll on your immune system, worry takes a toll on your sleep pattern, and in this state, if you don't sleep well, you are having a compromised immunity, and that is not right, depending on the state we are in right now. So change your negative thought pattern to positive one. Stop worrying and start caring. Care, concern, all these are different energy when it comes from a place of positivity, and when you worry, you stress, it comes from a place of fear and negativity. Try to change every thought that tells you to worry into thought that cares, and thought that knows that the person is taken care of. That's the least you can do, because if you don't take care of yourself, you are again causing that person some kind of problem. So tension, stress, worry, try and remove them and turn your thought around with positivity, with faith, and with care. And even if you feel a kind of worry creeping inside you, tell yourself that my person is being taken care of, and I send him all the positive vibes. If your vibes come from a place of fear or worry, it will not help that person, because he has to go through that protocol, and he will find his own inner peace and calm somewhere in the process. All you can do is be positive, that person is taken care of, and pray for his well-being. So prayers have great power. They can bless the person, they can send positive vibes, they can heal the person from inside without you having to be in person with that person. It can travel distance, it can travel across miles, and you can do that sitting in your home if you really care for that person. So stop worrying about something which is not in your control, and try to turn every thought that has negativity into some kind of positivity. It will surely help, and I at my end is praying for everyone who is going through this right now, and hope you heal soon, and hope you find your strength to deal with this situation and come out stronger. Have a good day, guys.